Hi everyone, look what I got you today, this KitchenAid grinder and mixer. And today I'm going to explore to you all the different parts that it comes with and how to clean it, how to install it. So let's explore. It comes also with this cheese grinder, this slicer, the cleaner, this, so plate here. It has a manual. This is to grind the meat grounding head. We will be installing the first head. We need to put the first. We are placing the blades right now that will ground the meat, and this is the thin meat grinder. We turn it all the way, then we put it here. We put it and then we twist it from the side all the way to make sure it's fixed and steady. Then we bring the upper plate, we put it. This plate we need it to put the meat, okay? Then we use this little plastic to kind of push the meat inside. That's how we use it. Very easy and simple. Those other heads, if you want like a ground meat like really soft and thin, you use this one. If you want it like medium size, you use this head. And if you want it thicker, you use this head. But this is essential. You use this one first and then you install the other size, and just like those to make the sausages. This is for like the smaller and thinner sausage, medium, and this is for the thicker sausages. Look. So both attachments need to be washed with warm water below 120 feet. Only warm water, no harsh chemicals, so you can like save it for longer life. They are both suitable for KitchenAid stand mixers and Cuisinart SM50 and SM50 BC and SM50R. Neutral soap and warm water only. This is the other one for the cheese. Side lock, install it and then lock it in. We will put the whichever cheese that we want and we will start shredding.